To help you reach your low carbon to no carbon business goals, Enviro has created a specialist online carbon accounting and reporting toolkit that supports and enhances the work of our energy management experts. Using our 30 years practical experience helping high energy business users minimize their energy consumption, we have created our advanced software tools to fit the requirements of businesses of any size. With the world now determined to address climate change and 11,000 companies in the UK already obliged to report on carbon emissions in their annual reports, Enviro has developed this analytical software to help make it easy and cost-effective for your company to achieve its scopes 1, 2 and 3 carbon reduction objectives. We do it all for you. You simply supply us with the relevant information and we turn that into accurate, clear and comprehensive reports on your carbon emissions. The results are easily accessible and straightforward to interpret and can be accessed from your computer and laptop. You will see where emissions are produced and be able to take immediate action. Our energy management experts will be by your side to help you interpret and act on these reports, and guide and advise you to help you achieve your net zero goal. You'll be playing your part to help reverse climate change, while improving your business credentials, winning tenders due to your ethical and green approach to operations, and of course, saving money. Together, we can engineer a greener world.